Steaks Continental yield 6 servings. 2 cups club crackers crumbled, 2/3 cup milk, 3 pounds ground chuck, 1/2 cup finely chopped suet, 1 cup chopped green pepper, 1 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup chopped mushrooms, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 3 tablespoons creamed corn, 1½ teaspoons pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 egg beaten. If using fresh mushrooms, wash, slice, and cook in salted water until tender. Place crumbled club crackers in bowl and pour milk over them. Let stand. Blend together meat, suet, green pepper, onion, mushrooms, tomato paste, corn, and seasoning. Add egg to moistened club crackers. Combine cracker and meat mixtures, mixing well. Divide into 6 1½ thick patties, shaping into the form of a steak. Broil 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on one side, keeping far enough away from heat to cook through without burning. Turn and broil on other side until done. To prepare well-done steaks, broil farther from the heat and for a longer time on each side.